Okay, this is the 5th time I've recorded this, and I mean 5th. I do not mean 4th, I mean 5th. And if this doesn't work, I would delete my account. Haha, JK. Anyways, so this is my sketchbook tour. Why am I showing off my nails? Nobody cares. Ow. Yeah, so I finished my sketchbook ages ago. This is my new one. It's so sexy, yeah. So thick. The pages are really nice and fresh. I don't know. Ew. I'm losing it. I really am. Please unsubscribe. Oh yeah, this is cool. This is swaggy. Yeah. Yes, everyone. Panda said you are valid. Ooh, yes. I'll be Dacon. Yep. Owla actually has a new contest, so you might as well just enter because it's nice. It's a good contest. It's a pretty good profile picture. Am I going to enter? Maybe. ... Question mark. Exclamation mark. Number hash key. Oh. Hashtag. Okay. So anyways, so this is a cool drawing, I guess. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright. Yeah. This is good. This is good message. Oh yeah, but I went through a phase where I was like colouring the squares because I thought it was so artistic and quirky. Oh! Jessie Art desk reveal. This is my desk. so hot, I know. Don't have to tell me. Jenny from Blackpink. Yeah, I know, it doesn't look like her, but honestly she's so iconic. Anyways. Ew! I drew Elle and Levi. Oh, the anatomy is kind of good. As you can see, I just kind of... This is so personal. Like, there's just so many notes on here. Oh, orange is the new black quotes. Please, that's so embarrassing. Alex and Pipe. No, this is embarrassing. Okay. What are you trying to point? I'm not sure. Why am I pointing? Okay. Hey, mamas. Oh, ew. Okay, so this is as you can see, I just turned the page, but basically that was the last drawing of men you ever see in your life by me, because there's only 3 drawings of men in this whole book. I'm sorry. Actually, no. I lie. I'm lying. There's actually 4 because there's one at the end. Oh my god, there's a Galaxy milk chocolate bar. But please ignore in the corner why I put Mikasa and Levi. I'm not shipping them, please. I just like them. But I don't. Okay. Anyways, Levi's 30 and I don't even think he likes women, so that's just a simple thing. Yeah, I'm sorry to tell you. I know you simp over him, but I don't think he's gonna feel the same way about you. Okay, so this is my what's her name again? Oh yeah, India and Annie. And then this was just me trying to find my style. Luckily, thank Jesus and thank the Lord, I found it now. Question mark. Oh yeah, Damara. Have her. I don't know. Why am I selling OCs in this video? Okay, this is my OC Trixie. Have her. Literally have her. I hate her. Because I just... So... Yeah, I got Danganronpa 2 because the manga, so I've watched the anime of the first one because there's not an anime of the second one. I wanted to read the manga. I'm so excited to read it. I got it today. So yeah, please don't spoil it, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is Pandora. Thanks for the name idea, Katie. Go follow Katie. I love this drawing. I love it. This is my OC Emma Adley. She is just a badass. She honestly is. She will literally kill you and not feel bad about it, and that's just the facts. I'm sorry. Oh, this is probably going in the thumbnail. This spread is really, really hot. Look at it. Corpse Waifu. I'm gonna make... Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do Corpse Waifu as an actual YouTube video. Why is there a playing card? Hey, wanna play Snap? Okay. Lexi Levia. Okay. Devon Maidel. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce my own OCs. These are some outdated profile pictures. I was watching Euphoria when I did that witch drawing on the left, because there's so much good makeup on Euphoria. Really good show. Oh, not light. Oh my god, please stop. Do I ship them? No. First of all, does this face look like a guy who is in love with Elle, because I mean, if you say yes, I mean you're just in denial. I mean, maybe Elle did, but I don't think. I think it was probably one-sided because Light is literally a psychopath, serial killer. But you know. Oh, so let's stop talking about Death Note. I love this drawing so much. I'm trying to put it back in the packet. Ooh, I hate Unko so much. I did it on purpose because you're not meant to like him. This is my OC Unko. He's Devon's ex-boyfriend. He's rude, selfish. Oh my god, stop moving the paper. I need to read it. Okay. Anyways, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? For song lyrics, because follow me on Spotify. Jessie Kane 10. Jessie Kane 10 is my username. Follow me on Spotify. I may follow you back. It depends if you have any public playlists for me to stalk and like. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. If you didn't like it, then you just gave me a view, so thanks for that. But oh yeah, this is my old sketchbook. I'm not sure why there's a pleading emoji in the middle of it. But yeah, now you're just gonna enjoy this video of Jeffree Star driving his car because I just thought it was funny. So yeah, have a good day. Love you. Bye.
Beach, and we're off to Manny Koshman's secret man. Look at that! I'm a little shook right now. Yes. Oh, looks kind of nasty. How are you?